Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Today is October 28, 2020, and it is Romeich's major birthday, right? So why is that significant? Because Romeich been telling everybody happy birthday throughout the whole year, you know what I mean, weeks, every day. I am my birthday general around here. So today I feel birthday and I ask if people are tell him happy birthday. Like people, if you look on him story, I just only go fine line. I don't know I go when they have one heap of post, right? Yeah, so I'm going to show him gift for him get here soon. But before I do that, I ask you a favor, people. Yesterday I asked you to vote for Taste Delight, and people did vote. So thank you to the people who vote, right? But here we go on, you can vote again. You see me, every 24 hours, you get a free vote until the competition ends. Right now, we need that extra push to get her in the first place. You see what I say, people? So I beg you to click on the link again in the first comment and please vote for Taste Delight. You know what I mean? And if you don't know what I go on, she's a baker. She's a very good baker. All these pictures me are showing, she bake it and she now in competition and we want her for win. You see me, I say she represent for Jamaica. So big up Taste Delight. Now people, I just go cut to Romeich now. I look upon him gift them. Romeich in America right now with Shenseea, you know what I mean? And they on the travel. I do a couple shows and thing. So it look like him get some gift while him on the move. So I'm going to show you those clip. Here goes.
Look at my birthday gift. Woo! Look at my birthday gift. Boy, foot cleany. Jesus. Well, one more gift. One more gift. Oi. Oi. Black Movado watch. I don't have no black watch. I love it. Oi. Aye. Me they are foreign, you know. So anytime I see things are coming, anything me get me take it up. I don't know, so I love me take care of people and make them feel good for my birthday, you know, so I feel good. How them give me? Wait.
Yeah, people, so in addition to all those gifts now, I see Romeich post a little puppy here and say, look what Shenseea got me, right? So it look like Shenseea get him a puppy. Now, if you don't know about Romeich now, Romeich is a man who love him dog them. Him have couple dog, you know, him always put them on him Instagram story and him feed them well. Him have cage for them and things, so, you know what I mean? This now look like a little house dog though. I don't know if that one you go in the cage and thing. But it's a man who love him dog them. That's all I try to say. You see me? And also, you know, Shenseea tag him 2 times, post and say, you be there, you know. But they might travel together. So she just, you know what I mean? She don't really have to post him or tag him. So, but she do it anyway, you know what I mean? And then she also posts this and say, to the best manager in my world, more life, health, wealth, and blessings. And him reply, him repost it and say, best female artist, I wouldn't change you for the world. Right? So, big up Romeich for name GD again. So I say, whole heap of people. Mr. World Dog, Ding Dong, TG. And those are just a few of the names them when I know. Because whole heap of people when I don't know also. I say I tell him happy birthday. You see me, and you know, a whole year in my cater to people, you know what I mean? At least I give them a courtesy, I say happy birthday. People with me don't know also too. So, and I like saying only I big up him artists, them I big up people who I work with, people who I have industry relationship with, all kind of people. So now I feel birthday and then there's a return in love. And people we can look out for Romeich do something, I don't know, you know what I mean? But he might travel now, so I don't know if you know, they might take birthday things serious, so might be have some kind of get-together celebration. We'll look out for that, all right? So, people, let's move on to our next story. Now, last night was the B.E.T Pop Awards, and our artists, them come out now fully fake. You see me, I said Beenieman Koffee, Shenseea herself, and Bounty Killer. You also had Skip Marley and Liquid, ZJ Liquid, right? So, I have the video for showing us, so we're going to get right into that video, alright? So, here is the Hip Hop Award, Cypher, Freestyle Cypher, and it's all our dancehall artists. So, take a look at this. Here goes.
B.E.T Hip Hop Awards, and this is the Reggae Cypher with Beenieman, Bounty Killer, Koffee, Skip Marley, Shenseea, Dang digga digga dang 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 dang. Take it away, DJ Liquid, one of the baddest selector.
Baby, when the bright light starts to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. to make me feel like B.E.T. me feel like but not take my lights. The girl can't stop with me, but no man me a done from young, me the have me vision. Bright and feisty with ambition, big up me one son and me Shenseea clans. Here from Jamrock, I'm Jamaican, but me want to go up and beyond. Feel sweet like melodies in me song, clean sticks to till me span. If for myself, me and no people pleaser, get that green like Caesar. Back then people used to call me broke, but right now them call me Shenseea. Doing it for my family, getting the money, depend on nobody, forgetting me got this a way. Easy now.
Hey, I tell the bitter with the sweeter. Moon up the sun, thank just for me a breathe. Power to my people, real kings and the queens. We've got the fire that'll burn them regime. Cold world, my people dead as random. Just keep on marching till the justice happen. Cause we not stop until the man stop dropping. All my brothers lost, no you're not forgotten. That ain't all she wrote. Well check out the new scope. We the generation with the knowledge and the hope. We're gonna change the globe with everything we know. And bless up to the ancestors for paving the road. Well, I take the bitter with the sweet. Well, take the bitter with the sweet.
I got alone. We tell them man no sprint is a marathon. Life on a bed of roses. I feel watching me a chat just like me brother Moses. I'm in a chat alone. Walk with God alone. Jack and me chaperone. Me not carry no black or brown. Chop up it track when me rap it double back around. And I know that alone. Them can't stop we know. Them couldn't get to you. Teflon come with the metronome. Youths are too proud and run for them safety. Gunshot I run the streets them lately. Crime a frustrate we alongside who create it. Emergency state we can't escape it. Inflation crazy for the old lady. The poor baby no if or maybe yeah. My scheme in a crime scene yellow tape it. Coffee no happy be the government favorite.
Like bricks we in the building, the legendary bounty killer, king of Kingston, Ivy big son. Red like a big gun transcending. Some boys sell out like vending, finish spending. If them start me up right now, them a go meet them ending. Hey, some boy them a fake, them a follow a general, show them the caliber. Now make me head get down in Africa, I get cold than Canada. Poor people governor, busting the lyrical murderer. Me fly a till me a fi governor. Think about me, you tell me sufferer. Cause this a beer style, freestyle, I know we style. But me lyrics, them a kick like a gun recoil. As the time pass, me style get healer. It's none other than big bad mighty bounty killer. No mercy. That's right. Okay. Yeah.
Sing dang 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 digga digga dow dow. Sang digga 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 dow 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 dow. Yeah. Sing dang digga digga ding dang dang dang. Sang dang digga digga ding dang dang dang. Yo. This kind of nervous. What day me do the verses? Me I wonder if American lovers saw them curses. Got the Billboard magazine come out. What day them never reveal us. Thank God that I'm a genius. A musical Nostradamus. So big up Josie Whale and Super Cat and Nicodemus. He's never gonna football and music make me famous. So right I know me after done the coffee in the thermos. We moving forward ahead them never can reverse us. Stay your kids, stay them rum and woman a line up. Watch that. Woman a wind up, woman a link up and a join up. See the polar girl come wind up. Tell your ex-boyfriend him time up. Yeah, you better join us. You're gonna end up be the minus. Yeah, you see us, every female surround us. Yeah, feed there with me. That is your only purpose. Your heart and mind a beat together. That will not divide us. Yeah, stang digga digga ding dang 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 digga. Woo.
Yeah, people, so get in the comment section and tell me what you think about this freestyle cypher, right? And also, people, please don't forget to wish Romeich a happy birthday. So may I say. So big up Romeich for his birthday one more time. And just get in the comment section, send him some birthday wishes, right? And please remember to also vote for Taste the Light. Let me say that clearly. You see me? So the link I got in the description, so you can just click it and go over there and vote for you, right? So big up on yourself. Thank you for watching, right? So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here, liking, commenting, and sharing, right? Thank you for watching again. Have a wonderful day, night, or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Want to big up on yourself. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.